Dear friends, welcome to my channel Education and Career Success. Dear friends, it is the story of Einstein and his driver. You all know Einstein was famous for his theory of relativity. Every day, Einstein was invited to give lectures in different places. Sometimes, he had to give the same lecture several times in a single day. Einstein was traveling along with his driver to give presentations in different places. The driver was very intelligent. Every day, the driver used to sit among the audience and he would listen to the lectures given by Einstein very interestingly. One day, when Einstein was traveling with his driver, he said, "Sir, I heard your lecture several times. The theory of relativity is so simple. Now, I too can give presentation on your topic." Then Einstein said, "It's okay. In the next conference, I am going to give you a chance to give presentation on my topic. In the next conference, I am going to act as driver. You are going to act as Einstein." So the driver agreed the proposal. Accordingly, in the next conference, Einstein wear the dress of a driver and sit among the audience. The driver wear scientist coat and hat and walked onto the stage. He started giving presentation. He started giving wonderful presentation so that nobody doubted him. Everyone thought that he was the real Einstein. But at the end of the presentation, one of the professor asked him complex question. Then driver said, "You are asking so easy question. Your question is so easy that even my driver can answer your question. You go and ask my driver, who is sitting in the last row." Dear friends, who is driver? Who is going to answer audience doubts? It is none other than Einstein. Dear friends, effective presentation is not just dealing with the topic. Effective presentation is dealing with audience. Yes, audience is the most important part in presentation. Audience play an important role in every presentation. Audience is the base of every presentation. So, know your audience, understand your audience, study your audience, analyze your audience, greet your audience, respect your audience, smile your audience, and meet their expectation in your presentation. The second most important element in effective presentation is create first impression. Yes, first impression is the best impression. The first impression is the best impression. Dear friends, the first impression is the best impression. But how to create first impression among the audience? It's not your status, not your subject knowledge, not even your personality, but it's your attitude that creates a first impression among the audience. Your body language reveals your attitude. Your positive body language reveals positive attitude. Your negative body language reveals negative attitude. Your postures, gestures like the way you are sitting, the way you are standing, the way you are walking, the way you are speaking, your hand movements, head movements send a certain message to the audience. Similarly, your facial expressions reveal your innermost intention to the audience. Face is the index of mind, eye is the mirror of soul. So, make sure your expression sync with your message. Dear friends, eye contact is the most powerful communication in effective presentation. Always maintain eye contact with the audience during presentation. Eye contact establishes trust among the audience. Eye contact builds rapport with the audience. Dear friends, according to Albert Mehrabian, the impact of nonverbal communication on audience is 93%. But the impact of verbal communication on audience is only 7%. Yes, it's only 7%. It is a surprising fact that the impact of nonverbal communication 93%. It means that people believe nonverbal communication more than people believe verbal communication. Dear friends, the biggest ornament in effective presentation is confidence. It's not your subject knowledge, but it's your level of confidence that decides success in a presentation. The person who has higher level of confidence speaks better than the person who has higher level of knowledge. So, always express confidence in your voice. Use strong and assertive voice. The strong and assertive voice reveals high degree of confidence. Avoid monotone. Nobody likes monotone. Speak from the heart, but don't speak what you don't like. Don't speak what you don't practice. Don't speak what you don't believe. Don't speak what you don't trust. Don't speak what you don't follow. Don't speak what you don't feel. Emotion makes an amazing speech. Dear friends, effective presentation is not just simply reading from the paper. It's not just simple memorization of topic. Effective presentation is an art. It is an art of sharing your complex idea in a simple way. It is a structured conversation between the speaker and the audience. Whether it is a conference presentation, or a seminar presentation, or a workshop presentation, or a synopsis presentation, or a public speaking, the goal is the same: audience. Yes, audience is the base of every presentation. So, know your audience, understand your audience, respect your audience, respect their cultural differences, and adapt your speech to their level of understanding and come out with a strong message. Dear friends, please remember that behind every great presentation, there is a great preparation. This is all about this video. In the next video, we are going to talk what are the do's and don'ts in effective presentation. Thank you. Happy learning.